The Winter Olympics. News article. Every 4 years, countries from all over the world compete in the Winter Olympics. This competition is all about snow and ice. Opponents race and jump on skis. They fly 90 miles an hour down a track on bobsleds. Snowboarders jump and twist on courses of packed snow. Figure skaters make fantastic jumps and create beautiful arches in their backs as they twirl on the ice. Athletes go to the games with great hopes. All yearn to become champions. Some come back home with medals. Others don't win anything. All come back with one thing in common. They have had the experience of being an Olympic athlete. A brief history of the Olympic Games. The first Olympic Games took place about 3,000 years ago in ancient Greece. The earliest competition was a modest event. The racers ran a short distance on foot, only 210 yards. Later, more races were added. Events in wrestling, jumping, and throwing were also added. Then the Romans conquered Greece, and the Olympic Games eventually disappeared. In 1896, the first modern Olympics were held. The first games were the Summer Games, but people were already talking about a winter event. In 1924, the first Winter Games were held. The modern Winter Olympics. Many changes have come about in the past 9 decades of Winter Olympic competition. At first, professional athletes were not allowed to participate. In 1988, an agreement was signed that granted professionals the right to compete. Some of the first professional Winter Olympic athletes played on ice hockey teams. Today, technology helps with the grave responsibilities that come with judging Olympic events. Such technology can clarify who wins and who loses. In skiing and skating, a race can be won by fractions of a second. Today, computers make it easier to determine who wins and by how much. Also, judges may review an event on video. Doing so can help them decide if a first-place finish is valid. Going for the gold. In individual competition, the top 3 finishers of an event each earn a medal. The first-place medal is gold, the second place is silver, and the third place is bronze. Today, an authentic gold medal is only part gold. Solid gold medals are too expensive to make. After each event, the top 3 finishers stand on a platform. Each country's flag is raised. The gold medal winner listens to his or her country's national anthem. Tears may follow. It is an emotional occasion. At that moment, the athlete has been declared the best in his or her sport.